Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you ready to make changes to your Squarespace website? Whether you are updating content, tweaking designs, or adding new pages, this video will walk you throughout the process of editing your site with ease. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, first of all guys, make sure to go ahead and open your site. So here I am, I'm going to go to the site and it's going to be opened. This is the website, this is the template, and this is how it will look for people when it is published. Now, when you first create your Squarespace website, it will not have your content, it will have default parameters, and you will not be publishing it to present your brand or whatever ideas you have. So first of all, you have to do some modification or editing your site, which is basically very easy. How can we do that? Well, there is a couple of options that you can work with. There is first of all on the left a sidebar which has a menu. This menu is not a normal one. It has options that can help you change and modify things and parameters within your sites, such as pages, styles, assets. In case you had an e-commerce store, then you will have products, invoicing, and donations, content, and membership. So for these options, this is nothing that mentions the layout itself. For example, I want to change this picture, or for example, I want to change this text or this button. What can I do to do that? Well, this is the second thing, which is by clicking right over here on the site styles or basically on edits. The site styles will let you change the whole style of the page. Basically, which with style, I mean the fonts, the button style, and a couple of things. Let me just click on it and show it to you. So here we have the colors, the buttons, the form of the field, and basically the fonts and animations, couple of animations in case you had any. For example, here, slide, clip, here flex, we have scale, we have fade, and we have basically none. So there is a lot to go with. There is fast, slow, and basically medium. For now, I'm not going to talk about that, but I'm going to talk about the major thing, which is editing the whole site, which is of course by clicking on edit as I showed you right over here. By clicking on edits, you will be taken to the page builder of Squarespace. Here, you will be able to modify every section, every block, and everything within your site as long as you can adjust it. For example, there is a couple of things that you cannot change. For example, if I went right here to edit site footer, which include made with Squarespace, this one sometimes will not be available for you to remove because it will ask you to have a premium version. So this is some side note that you need to understand. Not everything within your site is actually modifiable. So now let's start by the real work. The web page is basically divided within three sections. The header, which includes the menu and the logo, the body of the page, which is divided in multiple sections, and the footer. So here by clicking on the header, you can edit it. You can edit each thing within this header. You can edit the site title and logo by clicking on it and clicking on the pen tool. You will be able to choose or swap between a site title, which is only letters and words, or basically a logo, which includes an image. Of course, there is two images that you have to take in consideration in case you will be using a logo that's fitting a website on PC, and one which will be fitting your mobile visitors. So make sure that you are considering both users. Now for the sections, let's say for example you don't want this one, or you don't want to have this section right over here, and simply you want to remove it. Well, you have to click on it and simply click on remove. Click here, and just like that, you have removed this section. Let's say you want to create your own section. Click between two sections. For example, I want to create it above this one and below this banner right here. So I'm gonna click between them, click on add section, and here they will give you a couple of options to go with. There is here already templates that are basically pre-made for you, so you can use them for free, and there is the scratch, or basically the blank section. So choose the best one for you. If you found something that is basically perfect for your kind of object that you want to make, then obviously you can choose one of these that are pre-made for you in here. That will save time and make every single move that you're doing within your site much more faster and easier for you to change. For example, if you wanted to make a page including your team members, well, obviously you can choose one of these, and basically, let's say for example, you will be selling stuff and products. You can choose, for example, this one, and you will tell me, for example, this doesn't include my product's image. Well, it's pretty easy. You simply have to choose the section that you want, and basically, as you can see here, oh, it's too big. Let me just try to zoom out. That's perfect. So here you have this product picture. I'm gonna click on it, and then I'm gonna click on this pen tool. Click on edit, and here you will have this bar, which you will be able to edit everything that is included within this picture. So you can click on delete, edit, or replace to change it. For example, here what I'm gonna do is basically click on edit, and this will let me edit the picture itself. So you can change the colors, change the contrast, change the brightness, and it will make everything much more easy for you to edit a picture. For example, let's say a picture that doesn't match your vibe, your basically your website's colors, etc. You can like add a little bit of lighting, decrease the contrast, play with the settings a little bit, so you can make it match your website. If you want to delete it, then you simply click right here and delete it. Also guys, for the pages, you can easily create them by clicking on here, and you will be able to create pages and add them to the main navigation menu. And that's pretty much it for today's video guys. This is how you can edit your page or website on Squarespace. I hope you enjoyed it guys. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in the next tutorial.